Hi everyone, Marion Emerson here. I wanted another excuse to use this Golden Days set. I've also got the die in here as well. And my spin tool. So I was thinking, if I just set it up, is there like a really quick way I can do this? So let me just grab my card. And I'm thinking, once it's set up, that's it. I can just do it over and over again. So, starting off, well, there's number one. So, let me put them around the right way. So this is Golden Days Layering Stamp by Altenew. And I love this flower. I don't know what sort of stamp it is. Is it like a peony? Don't know. Anyway, right, so let's just go. And it does say A1, A2, A3, A4. So you always start off with the lightest, although because this is an outline, I'm going to use Slate on the outline. And then I'll go Hot Tub with A2, Skylight with A3, and Bay Breeze with A4. So I was wondering if I could set it up in 4 different areas, but I think that might mess about with the dark to light and light to dark. I might try that. I'll see. I'll see how my brain treats me. Right, so let's just go. Let's go. I might just sort of stick one there, because then I could do one there. It doesn't matter if it comes off. In fact, I might make it come off. Make it come off, Marion. Right, okay, so there's that. So I don't actually need it to be on the spin thing at the moment, but it is, and that's fine. So this is Slate. You know I love me Catherine Paula inks. Oh, and look out for a little video. I might even have shown it, I don't know, where I'm going to do a little sneak peek about something Catherine Paula. Okay. Oh, actually, saying that, 1, 2, 3, 4. Ta-da! Look at that. I can do 2. So same thing. Ink, ink, ink. Always press too hard. Even though I think I'm doing it really lightly. There we go. Perfect. Let me just clean it and then I'll line the next one up. Right, this is where I always have trouble, but I think looking at that little bit there is going to line up with that little bit. So we shall just try. If it don't work, it don't work. Oh, stay there, you. Right, so now I'm going lightest. So I'm going to go in with Hot Tub. Love Hot Tub. Ink all over. And then I'm just going to go round. And I will see you at the end. Right, coming back in because I think I remembered. Does this show you? Oh, look, they say about doing it on these bits. Right, so where is that bit? That's, that don't help either, does it? Oh, there and there. It doesn't help that I've gone off the thing. So I think that's about there-ish. It's going to overlap, but I don't know whether that matters or not. Do you know what? I could never, ever work for Altenew because they would sack me in an instant because I am rubbish. I really, really am. Oh, my goodness. Oh, Marion. Oh, Marion, Marion, Marion. Right. Let's try that. That. Oh, I don't know. Oh, do you know what? Does it really matter? I'm going to say no, it don't. Right, here we go again. Okay, now it's wrong because I've got this bit sticking over. So I have done it wrong, but I am going to do it again, not right this minute, but just to try and see where I'm going wrong. In the meantime, I'm just going to take that. I mean, it looks beautiful anyway. It looks a bit watercolourish, so people would think, you know, well, like that, don't forget to smile. Oh, it's okay to make mistakes. That's perfect, isn't it? I make loads. Learn to grow. Don't forget to smile. I don't know if that's nice or condescending. I don't know. Don't forget to smile. You know, be happy. I don't know. But then again, I know someone I can send that to and she'd think it's funny. So let me just put that there. I think I've sort of got it straight-ish. And in fact, no, that don't line up on that anyway, does it? Right, let me just put a bit of slate on that. Don't forget to smile, you miserable old thing. I'm sorry, Altenew. Oh dear. Oh, I don't know. Right, don't forget to smile. As my husband calls me, Mizog. He goes, oi, Mizog, because I wasn't smiling in a photo the other day. But, you know, it's pretty, isn't it? It's quite a simple card. Let me just practice getting it right, because it's going to do my head in. I'm going to try and copy it from this. So if you've got these, look, there's your layering guide. So let me grab another piece of card. This time I'll do it in full so I'm not coming off, because that doesn't help if you haven't got the whole stamp on there. So bear with. So if I go that way, that is, you've got to get that round there. So that's got to go like that. So let me just go like so. I want to do it about here because then I can maybe get two out of it. Let's see. I just need a cutting edge. Right. Put that there. Stay there, you. Right. Pick up. Now, that worked better, and I think I lined it up exactly how I should have, but, look, there's still a tiny little bit there and there. I know I'm being fussy, but if I'd have pulled that, see, look, even that's over, like gone over there. Oh, I don't know, maybe I'm just being too fussy, because if you look at their ones, you can see like a complete white line all around the cutout. But anyway, you know what it's like. Right, I'm going to do some leaves because I'll die cut those and then turn them into a card. So let me just, whoops, move these out the way, and then I'll do some leaves. I think I might have another little bubble thing in my stamp. honestly, unless it's meant to be like that. Hang on, before you question it. No, it is meant to cover it virtually full. Okay. Oh, dear. Oh, I can see. Oh, I can't pull it out now, can I? Because... And it was new, and I should have taken all your advice you gave me from the previous video, which is to either sort of Versamark them or rub them with an eraser, or like I used to do, get a bit of sellotape so it takes off anything. Let me just see if that's going to work. Might be too late now. I know this isn't sellotape, but let's just see if that takes anything off. If not, I'll just leave it like that, and then that can be the design of it. So I need it on there. Ooh. Oh, got a little bit more. That'll do. I ain't too bothered. A little bit on there. Oops. Oh. Okay, so there's 4 for this one and 3, no, 2, no, 3, sorry, 3 for this one. But that's okay. Eucalyptus didn't do much to Martini, but Martini will go lighter as it dries. So maybe I should have let it dry first before I put the darker one on, because these are translucent, so they will show the colour from underneath. It's not too poor how I've done it, but maybe I could have done better. Who knows? Right, now I am going to die cut them and we'll see what we get. So I didn't cut them perfectly. I never do. That one probably came out the best. That one didn't. But you can always hide things. Same here. I'm a bit wider there than I am there, but I have just gone and had my eyes tested and I've got to have new glasses, so I'll blame that for now. Right, so we've got this lovely one here, and then I've got my folded cardstock. I will list all the products I've used in the video description, so you can, I don't know if you go like that or like that, I don't know. I watched Simon Hurley do, you can find them here, or it goes like that. But it might go there. I don't know. Anyway, I can't do it. And I will try and look for this from Altenew in a bundle, because then it's usually cheaper. So let's just have a little look-see. If I just went like so, and then just have a little play around with the leaves before I stick it down. I'll go like that. Do I want to do it? No, I don't know. I think I'm going to leave it like that. And then what I'm going to do, I know I can use my oh, what's it called? Donna bought me some, oh, I can't remember what it's called. I'm always forgetting it, but I haven't got any down here with me, so this is how I would cheat. You can use washi tape. Just do that, and then just flip the whole thing over. And then I'll probably use little mountain squares. Just go around. Make sure you do one in the centre so it don't push down. Cut them if you need to. And then I can get that one on there. I might top another little one. Let me go a little bit there and one there. So we've got two lovely ones there. I could put some little sequins on. I could even go around with a glue pen and add some glitter on there. That might look nice. Let me just have a oh look, I've got my brilliant silver sparkles. Shall I? Let me just find a glue pen. Oh, hang on. Oh no, you know what? I could use me Barely Art. Right. Okay. Just add a little bit of silver. A little bit of silver. Let me just grab a piece of paper. Or two. Or three. Right. And then make sure this is clear. And then just go tiny little dots. You could, with a quickie glue pen, sort of go around the edges as well, the lines, if you wanted to. If you want a little bit more. Silver's going to look beautiful against this colour. Let's just go a little bit of flickage. Same here. Oh, it just looks so pretty. Look at that. Just that little bit just adds to it. Oh, look. So nice and quick. That still makes me laugh. Don't forget to smile. Maybe you could say, don't forget to smile. Today's a happy day. Right, let me photograph them. Oh, one thing I did want to say, I'll see if I'll put the link up in the video description. For those of you that don't know or haven't already, I've got a newsletter set up now. I'm not going to pester people. In fact, people have already said, like, when's your next one coming out? Because I've only done 2 since I set it up. But I'm not someone to just go pew, pew, pew and just keep firing newsletters at people. But if you want to sign up to it, I'll put the link in the description, which is there or there or there. I don't know. And yeah, it would be great if you signed up. It would be lovely to have you on board. It's just an easy way for me to sort of like shout out and let you know things that are going on. And rather than using the community tab on YouTube, because a lot of people miss that. Some people get it, but a lot of people miss it. So I thought if you want to sign up, then you can, and I will keep you informed of things. So thanks ever so much for watching. Take care. Bye.